Look what I just got. Oh my god! I'm so excited. Alright guys, so this was just delivered for me. This packaging is lovely. I'm so excited. Hi guys, it's your girl Jessie Q here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video I am very excited for, and yes, I know I'm excited about a lot of things, whatever, I don't care. I'm a very happy person. I have something new to show you guys and I think you guys are gonna like it too. So I wanted to try out some new brands and some new companies for this new year 2019. So far I've been, doing some research, looking up some stuff online, trying to find brands out there, and I came across this one called Product Junkie. So I went to their Instagram page and I, checked out the products that they have and stuff, and I decided that I wanted to get one for myself. So I messaged the page on Instagram, and their Instagram page is Product Junkie TT, by the way, if you guys want to go check it out for yourselves. I messaged the page and they were so nice, they were so courteous, they were so wonderful. Oh my goodness, it was a great experience dealing with them. So I messaged about getting a box possibly, and I wanted to get the prices of the boxes. So I'm just going to give you the prices of the boxes that they have. So the subscription box is $250 TT, and it comes with 2 full-size items, 2 travel-size items, 2 face masks, and a beauty accessory. And then they have a mini junkie bag that comes with 6 travel sized or deluxe sample sized items and a beauty accessory, and that bag is at $120. And then they also have a mask pack that comes with 7 face masks, and that is for $130. And they also do delivery to your home, so I thought that was really cool. So as I said, I messaged the page about my interest in getting a box done, and I also let them know that I was interested in possibly doing a review slash haul slash unboxing slash tryout for my YouTube channel. And the girls there, Hannah and Vanessa, they were so wonderful, and they actually offered me this wonderful box at a reduced price. So I just want to shout out Product Junkie TT for that collaboration with me. So I'm really excited. This is what the box looks like. So as you can see, it's this nice purple box that says Product Junkie on the front of it, and it is wonderful. It is a nice size and it feels actually kind of heavy. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. I have not opened anything yet, so let's do this together. Ooh, look. All right, okay. So let's check it out. Let's see what there is to see. So this first item, let's open this one. It seems to be some sort of mug. Is it? Oh, cool! This is so cute! So it is a glass and it just has little eyelashes on it. Blink blink! This is really cool. So I'm guessing this is the beauty type accessory, right? They didn't really specify what that is, so I'm guessing that's what this is. But this is really sweet. This is cute. I'm going to drink from this. So the next item in the box is this gold hydrogel eye patch from Pure Derm. It seems to be eye patches, and this container comes with 60 sheets. This says tightly adheres even to the cured eye zone. Intensive eye zone treatment hydrates and nourishes your skin with gold ingredient. Ew. I'm gonna put gold on my skin. Okay, so I'm excited for this actually, just because I have wanted to do some sort of eye cream or something like that. I'm trying to stick to a very strict and rigid skincare routine for this new year, as I said in my vision board video. I really want to take care of my skin this year, so part of that is actually some sort of eye treatment, and I haven't yet been able to do that, so I'm really excited to have gotten this. So the next item in the box is this honey and berry lip sleeping mask. So with acacia honey and berry mix. I hope I said that right. I think it's acacia. This just seems like something that you put on your lips when you're going to sleep. And all right, I have a mask for my lips. That's kind of cool. So the next item is this. It says Farm Stay Snail Repair Eye Cream, brightening and anti-wrinkle. Oh, you see, ask and you shall receive. Look, I'm getting more eye stuff, so this is really cool. This is cool. This is cool. All right, so snail repair. All right, okay. Includes snail mucin extract. All right, that's kind of gross, but they usually are. So there seems to be a big mask. Oh, there are more than one. Let's check them both out. So included are also two masks. This one is an eye steam mask. Then this one is a collagen eye zone mask enriched with collagen, vitamin E, green tea extract, and tropical fruits. More eye stuff again. I'm very happy about it. And last but not least, we have a few little tubes here in the bottom of the box, so I'm just gonna take them all out and let's go through them together. So the first one is this Laneige, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Laneige Special Care Eye Sleeping Mask. Then I have Innisfree Apple Seed Lip and Eye Remover. Then I have La Lane Organics Dulce de Leche Lip Balm. So this seems to be possibly local. And then the last thing is Kissful Lip Care Scrub, Kissable Lip Smooth Care. So I have a little lip scrub as well. So my eyes and my lips should be really taken care of for the time that I have these products, and I'm really glad that I do have these products. They all seem to be very interesting. They seem to be things that I will surely like, so that's good. All right, so my idea for this was that I wanted to give it a try for 5 days, give it a try for a week, and let you guys know what I thought of the products, how I felt that they helped me. So we're going to be going along, and I'm going to be trying these products for 5 days. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's currently 1:28 in the night and I am about to get ready to go to bed. So I just wanted to do the first set of our plans for this week. Tonight I'm going to start with the Pure Gel Gold Energy Hydrogel Eye Patch. And I read the instructions and I thoroughly cleansed my face and dried it. So I'm now about to apply this and leave it on for 20 to 40 minutes. And I'm going to apply it using the spatula that is enclosed with it as well. Alright guys, so it is night 2 and I am getting ready to go to bed. I am actually getting the flu, so I'm feeling kind of sick. My throat is hurting and you know, plus it's already been a day, so I'm not going to take too long with this. My face has been washed, it's been cleansed and I toned. So now we are going to use the second of our eye creams, and this one is the Farm Stay Snail Repair. So the name of it is eye cream, but this is actually saying to spread it all over the face, so I don't know, but if that's what it says, that's what we'll do. We're testing it as it is. Alright guys, so it is 12:30 and I just got home. I am extremely tired and I'm feeling really sick. This cold is starting to kick my butt, so I'm gonna keep this one short. So today's product that we are using is the Laneige Special Care Eye Sleeping Mask. That is this little one here, and all of the instructions are in Korean. So we have no instructions, so it actually comes with this little pump. So I'm just gonna pump out a bit, and this one is supposed to be an eye sleeping mask, so I'm only gonna use it on my eye. So just that little bit there, and we're just gonna put it underneath our eyes. Oh, this is interesting. It's very water-like. That's my song. I love it. I literally love it. That song makes me feel happy. Hi guys. So it is what day is today? Today's Wednesday. Oh my gosh, today's Wednesday. Guys, I'm feeling so sick. Not physically sick, but I'm so stuffy and just congested. So I'm sorry, I know my voice sounds horrible on camera, but I have to do this. So this evening, tonight, we are going to be doing this one, the Collagen Eye Zone Mask. It is currently 1:19 in the morning and I am doing work, but I stopped so that I can do this for you guys. So I'm going to see if this has any instructions in English. Yes, it does. Hi guys, so today is Saturday. It is currently 12 midday and I've been really sick. So I missed two days. I missed Thursday and Friday, and excuse my voice, I know it's not pleasant. It's actually better, believe it or not. So yeah, as I said, I missed 2 days, but I do have one more product to try, and this one is the eye steam mask. So I decided that I'll try this today and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on the entire process a little later. So this is what it looks like when it comes out, like that. It has some slits in the back here. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm actually going to try and figure out how the hell we use this. Okay, so a very strange thing just started happening. So what I was doing, I pulled out my Google Translate on my phone and I tried translating it, and I was getting some translation done, and the patch was actually on my leg, and then I realized it started heating up just by itself. So I think I didn't see any information on how to heat it up. So I think it legit heats up by itself, which is kind of cool. Okay, so in terms of how we actually get it on, so there are these two flaps in the back, and that is what is actually going to affix it to your face. So you're actually supposed to take off your earrings and then pass your ears through this, and that's what's going to hold it in place on your face. So it's gotten, you know, quite warm now, not uncomfortably. So I'm just going to put it onto my face, affix it in the back. Well, can't really fit. I might have to stretch it. I hope it doesn't burst. We'll see. And I'm going to leave it on. I didn't see any information on how long. I actually think you're supposed to sleep with this on. So yeah, I'm not going to sleep right now, but let's just leave it on for a while and we'll check it out. So I'll give you guys a total overview of it later. Alright guys, so that has been an entire week of testing my Product Junkie box products, and I just wanted to say that it was a really great experience. I really had fun doing this. First of all, this is something new that I'm doing, so if you guys like it, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm really interested to know if this is something that you guys found informative and interesting, and I will be sure to do even more for you guys. So I just wanted to give a quick review of the products in this box that I have used for an entire week. So we're just going to do this really quickly. This first one was my absolute favorite. This was the Gold Energy Hydrogel Eye Patch. This one was my favorite. I think this is definitely something that I'm going to be using very often. You know, eye health is important. The next one that I used, and I'm doing this in no particular order because I can't particularly remember everything. The Snail Repair, it was pretty okay, you know, it was good, it was fine. The next thing that I used was the Honey and Berry Lip Sleeping Mask, and I will say that this is definitely a mask. This is something that is definitely going to stay on your lips for the entire night, and I think that is a great thing. It was very tacky, and it remained. I had to really scrub to get it off, so I think this is a really good product to have. The Collagen Eye Zone Mask, that was the one underneath. This worked well as well. This was cool. What I like the most about this, I guess I just didn't really package properly, but to know there was more than one sheet inside here, and it has a resealable top, that was very good to me. And this one also had instructions in English, which was important. This one that I tried today, the Eye Steam Mask, was the most interesting one to use. Now, it had no instructions in English, so I had to try to translate it, but the fact that it heated up was very interesting to me. It was actually really relaxing to sleep with that heat on your eyes. I don't know, it wasn't unbearable in any way, it was just enough. In terms of the lip stuff, oh, I forgot the Laneige Eye Sleeping Mask. This one, it didn't really wow me that much, so I may not use this again, but I have it if I need to. In terms of the lip stuff, I did not really like the Kissful Lip Care Scrub, just because I don't think it has any scrub to it really. It's not scrubby. I was not able to use the Innisfree Apple Seed Lip and Eye Remover. I just didn't get a chance to. And the La Lane Organics Lip Balm. It smells delightful, I'll tell you that. You know, it's a lip balm, it's fine. It does smell really good actually. It smells like ice cream, I like that. So, all in all, and let's not forget my wonderful cup. All in all, I would say that this was a very positive experience. Again, with the girls at Product Junkie. I am so grateful to you guys. I will suggest that everyone try this at least once, and I would say it is good value for money, because I didn't expect to get full size stuff, and it said that, so I don't, it's like my brain didn't calculate it properly, but I'm very glad that they were all full-size things. I have a lot of them now that I can use on a daily basis, and I'm very grateful for that, and I think it was really good value for money. My only qualm against it is the fact that a lot of them are not in English. They don't have instructions in English, so you know, but other than that, I think it was a really great experience. So guys, tell me what you think in the comments down below. Will you try this brand of subscription box? Also, if you all have any other subscription boxes that you would like me to try out, please leave that in the comments down below. And guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Thank you for rocking with me this week through sickness and in health. I really appreciate you guys, and until next time, namaste babies.